Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding without custard powder. First, gather your basic ingredients: milk, sugar, cornstarch, and your chosen flavorings. Cornstarch is key here, as it will provide the necessary thickness. You can use whole milk for a richer texture, or a lower fat option if you prefer. Decide on your flavor now, perhaps a classic vanilla or a rich chocolate. Begin by whisking your dry ingredients, like sugar and cornstarch, together in a saucepan. This helps prevent lumps later. Next, slowly add your milk, stirring continuously to ensure a smooth mixture. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue to stir constantly. The pudding will gradually thicken as it heats, taking about 5 to 8 minutes. Once the pudding has reached your desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Now is the perfect time to stir in your flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Pour the warm pudding into individual ramekins or a larger serving bowl. Cover the surface with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then chill for at least 2 hours. Your delicious homemade pudding is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it plain, or add your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. This creamy, satisfying dessert is a testament to how easy it is to create something wonderful from scratch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.